of course, we have been friends for all that time, you know, but he called me to do the skin I live in. And I came to the rehearsals with a backpack, with a suitcase filled with American experiences. And I put that in the table and I said, well, you know, Pedro, this is what I am now. This is the actor that I am more secure in front of the camera. I just work with my voice. I do these things and I have all these new tools. And after several days rehearsing, he kind of said to me, you know, Antonio, that must be very useful for your American directors. But it doesn't work totally for me. And he made a question one day. I was leaving his house, and he said to me, where are you? And so at that time, you know, I not confronted him, but, you know, you got certain resistance. So the shooting of The Skin I Live In, he was always creative. He's my friend. We respect each other, of course. But, you know, but it was more tense than normal, you know. But then I came here. And for the first time, I saw the movie with an audience in this theater. And I just couldn't believe that the capacity that Pedro had to bring out of me a character that I didn't know I had inside. And so it was a big lesson. And I was always in my mind all of these years, you know, if I was going to work with him again or not. So when I received the script of Pain and Glory, I couldn't believe it, you know, that my friend, actually, and the director that I respect the most in my entire career, trusted me to play an alter ego that he did. And then we started a process in which I took all my medals, all those American tools, everything that I brought, and we start from the scratch to create this character. And then there was another circumstances, and then I just finished with this answer. And that is a personal circumstances. 2.5 years ago, I suffered a heart attack. And it's one of the best things that happened in my life, my friends. Because it came to show you a number of things. It shows you basically what is important in life. And you see your family, you see your friends, and you see your turf. I don't want to say professional life, but the vocation of made me an actor. And Pedro is very perceptive, and he said to me in the rehearsal, you know, there is something that had changed in you since you had that cardiac event, and I don't want you to hide it. I want you to just expose it in the character. I think it's going to be good for the character. So I knew exactly what he was talking, what he taught to me on the rehearsal one day there in his house about that. So I tried just to put it up front and renounce to everything that I did before, in a way. And just in a resume, I try metaphorically to kill Antonio Banderas to be him.